guys, so for this project I used some Jenga pieces from the toy section of Dollar Tree and this wood puzzle that I found on the book section of my Dollar Tree. You'll be needing 6 Jenga pieces for the top and the bottom, and then 4 for the left side, and then 4 and then 1/3 of a Jenga piece on the right side. So all I did was flip the puzzle piece and then painted the back white. And I also stained my Jenga pieces in the wood finish stain. The color was Honey 272, I believe. And here guys, I'm just showing you that I'm using this wood glue that I found from Dollar Tree as well. I actually like this glue because it has the fine tip and it gives you the control of you adding tiny tips on whatever you're trying to glue, or like a whole bunch if you're trying to put like a whole bunch of wood glue anywhere or whatever project you're doing. So here is my 1/3 of a Jenga piece that I went ahead and cut. Make sure you hand saw cut this Jenga piece, guys. I literally was trying to use my electric saw to cut the Jenga piece and it was a terrible mistake that I made. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you know that you need to go ahead and use a hand saw cutting for this step. Here guys, I'm showing you that I am tracing the letters from this galvanized words from the Dollar Tree as well. And what you can do is go ahead and glue them to this piece, or you can go ahead and do as I did, which was trace the letters and then color them black, or you can go ahead and use the galvanized letters and just glue them to the back of the puzzle. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I want to go ahead and put thankful for fall. I'm gonna use the same letters that you get here on the package. Right now they should be out in your stores, these little letters here, the one that says harvest, thankful, and welcome. So for the word for, I'm gonna use thankful with the F and trace it, and then welcome, I'm gonna use the letter O, and then for the letter R, I'm gonna use the letter R, but from the word harvest. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and share. Okay guys, so I already did it, and this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the word fall, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do it like a paintbrush font. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself without, like, you know, tracing it from anywhere or anything like that. So I'm gonna put you real quick up here on the tripod so you can go ahead and see me. Hopefully, I would love how it looks. Otherwise, I'll probably have to paint it white again. So we'll see right now.
So what I'm gonna do is go with a pencil and just make lines of where you're gonna want the words and from how tall and how thick you want it. Hopefully I'm making sense, guys. So I'm gonna try to make it. I'm thinking, should I do it tilted? I'm not sure how should I do it. Probably looks like a spot. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball it here. Yes. And then
I'm gonna go ahead and do as a paintbrush, like I said. So I'm gonna try not to move this and do this straight as possible.
If I can. The last part came really thick.
Oh my god, I love how it turned out. I love how this looks, guys. I thought I was gonna mess it up, but I think it's kind of crooked. The elf. Let me fix it real quick. Now all I'm gonna do is go to Dollar Tree and maybe add some fall flowers, or maybe I have some here on the attic because I need to still get all my stuff down, guys, because I literally haven't gotten everything down. But I did want to go ahead and share this project that I did. Everything from Dollar Tree except the paint. And yeah, that's pretty much how I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna put like maybe a few flowers or maybe some greenery, depends whatever you like, but I think it'll make more sense if you put like something orange or maybe some pumpkins. Hold on, what I'm gonna do, because I don't like the paint on the pumpkin, I'm gonna take the little stem out and then repaint them. But maybe you can put like a pumpkin like this with some flowers sticking out. Hopefully you can see it. Oh my god, I really love how this turned out, guys. I really do hope that you enjoy as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.